From time I started to me video social media, so na me can say me social media se me baso nema miensa ne hiame o social media so. Na social media mabai me can say since September 2019. Since September 2019 na me started to make kasa o social media. Na me started to make kasa no me can say nema miensa ne hiame. Nema miensa ne hiame me gidi se sa nema miensa we ye takela Ghana betimi afane ntoma paifra. Number 1 any religion, number 2 any politics, and number 3 any yankasankasa ya brabo. And to fix the nation now circulate hashtag fix the nation now. Now there was a maybe messiah message be said we also have to fix ourselves because say yankasa yansesa ya mindset yansesa ya brabo say ye di Yesu Christo Krampo be president of Ghana enkoye enti me message a media ba haya make ho asemi makasa yankasa ya attitude yankasa nkasa Yesu ban as Ghana for no ehia say o say ye ho adro o say ye ho bibi and then nkofo say me kasa ye adro am feel say bia me say ye ko baby akoto adro no ye fix ye ho ye ho adro ni kire say ye rehabilitate ye ho ye recondition our mind. We are reconditioning our mind. We are emancipating ourselves. And then ye drone. Meda was say do video what click on my video so I will share me. Meda was say Mwamu Nua Kofi Afum for Kofi Afum motivations YouTube and I say what are you doing as Ghana ba? Facebook. Minia say on subscribe to my channel. Message also subscribe because I had me ba nyansa semkra a brain work na me waha. Say see the be ya besisa ya adwen e be change your mindset e won name be ho. See the be ya Ghana betime fa into my pefra. Say Ghana betime fa into my pefra e wo say wo sesa wa adwen e wo say me so me sesa ma adwen. Na collectively ni yetimi ye neme ye to bama ni papa mani di Ghana so. Eno tina me waha. Enti meda wase say mre na abibia so unya kwan e de ba behwe wa Nua Kofi Afum. Enti see the make no me hu se yankasa ya brabo no se ya nye bibi amfa yankasa Yesu ene ye ban e wo Ghana e be ye den se Ghana betima konanim. Yes, there's a need to fix the country. I am part of the Fix the Country Now campaign. I am part of the freedom fighters. But ye video bi wa haso kan say ye tu ejiramoafo no ne ye tu ekura sosofo. Okay? Ye tu ejiramoafo no ne ye tu ekura sosofo. Enti ya sorry say ye freedom fighters no. I was say yesusu ye precondition your mind. I was say yesusu ye draw. Enti ne as my Sunday motivations I am de ba de bia no. Me be say me busa o say dan de na wo ye afa wankasa obra bo ho. Say de be ya Ghana na motu e be say Ghana. See de be say Ghana ko nanim no. Dan de na wankasa wo ye fa obra bo ho. E de fix wankasa nkasa wo life. See de be ya wankasa wo life no so benya be papa ejina. And every be mo sure ba han mo ka say young youth, we should focus on ourselves. We should focus on baby a say abrabono koma yen edumadin no kwareka ade papa ye be ye ama yankasa ya abrabono etumpon because men fe ye ni into aban so men fe ni into politicians bi so yankasa yen sorry say business im ne be start you Ghana bibi autombi obi beto say chips na wakoton traffic mo say doctor na wakoton di bia obeya betimi ma unsa akwa no a obetimi nya wodan bia high a obetimi live a decent life no you can do it in Ghana enti ye ba ha no mo a ye be say etumofo na mo sorry na mo ye adwumaden na pray bebre no yen nipa da sene na ye pese obi tuyefo na ye pese obi motivating na ye pese obi share nkran ansa na ya sorry aye adwuma eno nti na me ma ba ha no because me say insatian we ni nyina anyepe me nsa we ya nyina anyepe e obi mo a ombetime tufo you be more self discipline to say me I discipline myself. I work hard. I make sure say baby bia me ye bia no me to no na kwanso me ka no kware me ye dwumaden na me ye adoye nema me ensan me ka cho say we yes nema me ensan we wabrabo ma bibie ni wa obehwere we nema me ensan we wabrabo ma bibie ni wa obehwere ntimi ni oba mi na be ma wo hwe me ka no kware baby bia obehu bia no baby bia wo ye dwuma bia no fa no kware ye wodwuma men kase papa ya wa high me wadwuma mi papa wa fa me won adwuma mi maami wa fa me won adwuma mi be pe kwan bi so e de awia na ma de ama me bibia simi ye enti no say yankasa ye check ya brabo o say yankasa ye check ye suban se u lidi suban papa se me so me ye suban papa se u nua bi su lidi suban papa na nyina ye levi suban papa e be de na obi ni phone to ho obi wa ko wia e be de na obi ade bi da ho obi wa ko fa enti bi nua ba mi na be ma yan kasankasa no ye hia se o se ye adwuma e wo ye ho enti me pese wo ye adwuma wo ho check your life minia check your life never say infa na autosin check your life never say adwum edade na wo senka wo ye a wo nye check your life say efutu be no bi de ma wa wan sore ntu ho na mo check your life mo hwe Ghana civil servants aye adwuma aye na ye adwuma civil servants ye o aye Ghana fo na ye adwuma civil servant no enso ko ho ne ko hwe suban ene attitude and for the tititi ho wako baby say wako post office say wako post to ade no buko no bi gina ne phone so this has suban we yan fix ya ya be den na yetimi afix Ghana enti no say ye tu mpanyifo for say omontoto nema me amontoto nema ye e ma yan si de be ya brabo be sin ye no e o say yan kasankasa so ye tu ya hofo say yes me fa ball and Google them a adinti na so the ball and Google them no adinti na so wo the ball and Google them a insu to na flooded. Until sometimes no ana me ka say eya na ye ho enemy eya na ye ho enti me no ba ma wo hwe me nde sisa osuban se wo suban bi mu na enya sisa se wo be sisa no o trimu. There's no shortcut in life abrabo eye boy there's no shortcut se niema bi nkoye ma wa check wo brabo se niema bi enkoye ma wa check wo brabo sometimes no niema bi eye some time ago no etimi nya ho sunsuanso nne it is all started say wo ye papa nde in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, there's no shortcut in life. There's nothing like Sikedro. I'm gonna make a show. So one year Jumadin, one can acquire 1 year papa, 1 year nema or so, yeah. Ube bread. Now we are near my year, both nature, both in Yankupon, bless you. And the beams of Miss Minjina Mindi, Mijina Midi, but Minjina Mina or Bible Mindi. Minjin this Yankupon, what true book be a Yankupon or my dream. So by a papa, by a bonnet or our dream. Enti no so sorry them hope say em wabi baby free baby beba no check wa brabo. Do you check your life? Enti Ghana for de bia meka say Sundays so oba hana behwe me check wa brabo e den na enkoye ma e dan na ohia na wunya check wa brabo udi no kware wo ye papa wo ye adwumaden adwuma bia wo be find wo ho say wo ye no wo ye ne ye wo ye no kware mu. Me makase me matra America had 25 years over 25 years kwa my bro so because me say me ka 25 years enyende and that means my bro 25 years no na baby bia ni ho a me ko say me ko ye adwuma me bre baby bia ni ho a me ko say me ko pe adwuma me bre adentia because me ye adwuma with vim adwuma me bre na manya adwuma wa America ha na me nya adwuma no so wa na obepe ma say wa na obedo me and me say no me ye adwuma on contract basis because me be say me feel independent. Ubetimi the same thing. Minimum ko fe bebre omo ba America krom ha no ma lazy. Omo nya dwuma ba ko menu bi, omo nya $15 an hour, omo nya $20 an hour pe, omo fe say no. Instead of say be ko betimi take courses bia na ba be course no, wo no ya kwadro. Obi wa na obi ambo ame, na we ambo ame. Now and so one kasa betimi asori abo awo ho. There's a lot of opportunity here in America. Ubetimi abo awo ho. Ejina baby papa ubetima boa ho every pempenso awo no akompempenso for. Don't always feel comfortable in your situation. Me feel comfortable in my situation. I always want to, the sky is the limit. I always want to achieve higher grounds. That's why we do back check for 10 years. Now unyang kosuo bia wa brabum say bia ye higher hono ye how would you man na be to $16 an hour. Why would you man say $20 an hour? Waka. Why would you 10 years? Waka. Say one casano, you don't want to improve. There are a lot of people who are so comfortable in their lives. So one change you abra boa, obey then walk osro, obey then walk compempensubi. In this world we evolve. Ye evolve, ye swing dear near nim. Now who is a mean life? So abra bona if I say see. Minia, they be a maker say, Adechi, Adesa in a union. In rainy hot. It's all be sorry then it's a procrastination is the thief of time. Procrastination is the thief of time. Oh, watch me, oh, ne, oh, watch me, oh, the Densano Bakokra. There are a lot of old men and old women walking around that are more procrastinating in things and I'm here now Bakokra. And to know, say, be a horror person, yeah, sorry, then it's a na me gidi say yen Ghana for as individuals no si e fix ya brabo na ye focus say ya brabo ensie ye ya si ya brabo sin ye Ghana betima fa ne to papa efra me na me ka kire si yen kasa ye sincere ma ye ho ye ka no kware ma ye ho adwuma bia e be hu ye ho bia ye ka no kware me nua me gidi say adwuma bia wo mu no say wo ka no kware wo benya atamfo enso wo nua stick to the truth who stick it to the truth your reward who stick it to the truth na fire how cramp na me nua stick to the truth and no never wonya hwe nature nyankopon na mosum no nyankopon na nature nyankopon we ya de papa wonya blessings me na me ka kire yeah, papa, why? Men try shortcut, men dibone, men dream adwinfin efa onua ho. Men ka say wonye MPP ninti no, the MPP baby anya ofe. We NDC nia, the MPP baby anya ofe. We MPP nia, the NDC baby anya ofe. Mama my emphasize suban ntina. Mama my nya atwom. Nse my am ka say, wa wo so wa Jesus obi a wo so wa Jesus Christ dey bia ro anya atwom. Because we can't draw. Because we tanunua. Because woman when you bread here. So and to see be no sorry them. Until me ba say me start say me can say fix your life now no. I check answer na fix the country campaign be start here. It miss me gidi say yen timamfo na ye wo Ghana no. Yen so na say ye ho draw. Yen so na say fix ye ho. Na yetimi di no kware e wo dwuma bia e be find ye ho wo mu so we private adwuma ho so we government adwuma ho di no kware ko adwuma on time ye de o so we me mfa ne say adwuma na nya papa de nya mama de nti oba no biara e ba ne say wa brabo na wo bo no wo be bre e betima ba ne say mre be so be bi adwuma na wo bi adwuma de o ye wo adwuma no so onye ne ye because won so anye ne ye ama obi de odua no eno na wutwa eno na empanyifo bube no de wudua no eno na wutwa emire bi beba uso be haya obi obefa obi so be adwuma ma wo na se de wo ye ma obi no sa na obi so be ya ma wo that is un stick to the truth and it's un papa so akọ adwuma bi mu ya ma cement 5 bags fa ye adwuma and it's obefa 1 bag de wa go si now the 4 bags ye adwuma ma ni pakro no adenti na so ye sa yesi koto ade bra ukwa koto ade no ade na 5 cedis wakwa ba say 10 cedis utwa ntro sa na man kitin no a block your blessings. Yes, they are blessings from nature. Or born hum by na blessings from nature. Na bia na say home from free. E bia na say etimi pie free fie koba e bi minimum bi oti ni fie dem to say me ti me kitchen yi. Me kitchen na me ti. Minimum bi oti ni fie. Oti ni fie etu oboba free him fa be born man wu ni fie. Entini imre ni abribia na o say yeda Nyankopon asese wa boy ho ban obetime sie free wo fie esi down esi form na obi ditu abo no wu ana say ka bi free betime be ball entini say wo ko say wo ba no blessings ni ha bi no say wo hu me fa oxygen si wo ni mu ye fa drone si wo nsa so no blessings ni ha bi no ni nyina gina nema papa ya ye nema no kwara ye ka ade aye papa o baby si de do nipa da sani do wunua do nipa da sani u do wunua unyanka de sika be wo obi eku no unyanka be ka obi ho asem ya unim se wo kan obi ho asem ya na ne ya na hye ni soul a ni dompe mu ya odi ya onimu a unim se wo ka sa asem ni kire obi na se odi ya onimu a it's even painful than taking a knife to choke that person unim za so kan bi wan sem na ene ya no osu no di ajoju na ene ya na se ade na se ebia wunim se de wo ye nua na ya ade enye the right thing na odi ya onumu a unim se ubenya hu sunsanso unim ana but se there no kware bi wo ya no kware bi wo man etimi ma ni pesu me maka no kware bi a che ni pe bi ma ni pe bi ma sunda maka the painful truth actually ni pe bi mama ni pe sunda but you have to continue speaking the truth because no kware bi ho a ya enso ma woto no kware bi ho a o ka che ni pe obesu different than say bia obeye obi yakayaka de ma na sun ni mu were two blessings was our name mienu we maka che wo enti de na be so ojusu me gidi say yen nipa da sani no si yan kasan kasa etimi fix ye ho yan kasan kasa etimi stay focus yan kasan kasa etimi kano kwarema ye ho baby bia be hu bia no kano kwarema ho ya de papa wo yes Nyankopon wo be hyira wo we yes our brabo be see ye enti nde kwesi da mi o ha me pese me ka kire o seminua ka no kware why ye dwumaden examine ho na se dan na wo touchim edwuma ben na wo ya wo nye ni ye seek for higher grounds why ye dwuma move for 5 years 10 years 15 years unya nkoso men feel comfortable in your comfort zone. You can always achieve higher grounds. You can always go higher than where you are now. Hey, man, baby, I'm saying sky is the limit. Baby, I'm saying me do you. Me do hokra. I'm still fighting to achieve more, to help people. Now, man, dream self is also achieving higher grounds for yourselves. Men achieving higher grounds. Say unkwan de ubedi ana baby ube say udu baby na udi yini pe hindi na all force. Yes, I can come on be sa kwa nema. But when he say ube so do mpempen subi see the be obet me boa other people. A service to man, a service to God. Nyankopon ye nyina nyame into boa ni power boa nyame. And no always seek for a higher grounds to help other people. Seek for better opportunity to help people. Always wherever you go in life, think about other people. Yes, I am doing that. Be saying, oh yes, Anna. Yes. So me catch show nipa dodo a me boom. Nipa dodo a me this serious show monima. Ebeya unwanwa. Ebeya unwanwa. And I'm doing it. You can also do it to receive your blessings. Hey, me blessings brutal. And yeah, sorry, they will catch them. Nyankopon ti yemu dada. Nyankopon ni sorry dem biemu. Nyankopon ye nipa duane na ya sorry dan. And so by papa so be kind of quarry so by the ye no na Nyankopon be fa ho ahira enti ye de ye why di duane papa na body enye fresh menye ne bi fa affect your body menye ne bi fa nse wo nipadua no wo yes I will say Nyankopon asori dan no menye asori dan ma wo te ho no eye here gbagba no enye ne na ya asori dan ma ka kiro say Nyankopon tro buku bia ye papa nsem ya meka kiro minim say wonim say de meka kiro ye no kware enso nipa mpa futu naturally no ye nipa ye lazy kakre bi se me kan ni ka kakre bi na mo forceful but dodo na ye lazy eni tina mra e ho se be control ye no na nka mra ni ho a na nka yesi nka yesisi dan ma free a na nka nipa so nya adwuma ka e be nkese nka be ye obese nko bebre but because also sorry ko adwuma e ye adwuma de bitimi be tua rent e ye adwuma de to niema ohia de to aduane di ntino wo be sorry aye adwuma den Meda was say onya amrehwe me gidi say onya osua me bi kakra fi me message yi mu. This is my Sunday motivations. Me Sundays me focus on ourselves. What you say? And you know we focus we yeah kasa say yeah empenyifo no fixing nation no na yan kasa so yeah fixing ya ho. Okay? I started talking about this long time before the Fix the Nation began. And the more being kase bia me say fix the nation, then fix ourselves. No, we need to fix ourselves. I started talking about fixing ourselves for a very long time because if we don't fix ourselves and Jesus Christ becomes the president, Ghana is still going to suffer because we need to change our mindset. We need to change our mindset. We need to hold those who we elect as our leaders responsible and accountable for the positions that we've given them. We shouldn't just sit there and wait for them to come and give us peanuts and then we continue to vote for them. And to young kasan or see a fix it. Yeah, near to Abama penny for no museum. And you know, we also have to be blamed for saying when you're crime, for saying Kolada Sute school India, and you know, in Kolada Sute India say eco classes, say a hospital cyber ambulances say a bimo ya defa cement. Bridges in India, bridges Zoto ne bubune kumnipa. And yen ye vote more. And someone yet the penny my you vote to out. You vote to out. You don't from Bano Jimmy and as I'm voting out. And yen nipa no yen individuals no we have a role to play. We have to fix ourselves. And in sanity. And the matter was so young redemption. Minia, me give this message atowasum. Say atowasum share no be so be why. And share no be so be. Let's subscribe to my channel. Kofi Afo Motivations. Oh YouTube and I say, what are you doing as Ghana? Oh Facebook. What are you doing as Ghana? Debi abusa ho. As Ghana busa ho. What are you doing? Also so then awoye. Ebetima ba seng ne man keten say bia o ba ko school say bia o prapra gota bi mu say bia o mfa bola into ne man keten ne nyina collectively ebetima da fix Ghana. And what are you doing as Ghana? Also so then awoye. Ebetima ba say obi kura na wotu no fo ebi obi no wonya adwenfi bi de kwa sai ade na bia wo no wotu no fo eno na ye o mind ba papa. We should be citizens, not spectators. We should be patriotic. Yendo o mind Ghana. patriotic spirit no yen fa do man Ghana no man Ghana ntimi nya ntoma prefra meda wase minia share video no bi so nya bi hwe wa be gidi say when ya age video ho share no bi so nya bi hwe e mamu nua Kofi Afom for Kofi Afom motivations share video no why. Thank you very much. God bless you, and as always, God bless our homeland Ghana. Bye bye.